This video is my first worked distribution modeler example. We're going to use presence absence fern data in New Zealand, and this is what we're going to do with the distribution modeler. We're going to make a chart showing the observed distribution. We're going to make a chart showing the relationship between the environmental variables and our observations. We're then going to estimate the parameters, making a model and a chain. We're going to then simulate a distribution, make a multigrid with the simulated distribution and the observed distribution to see how they compare, and then finally we'll export the file. I'm going to import a file. Let's find ferns, run that. Here's the data. Now I'm going to make a chart, longitude, latitude, color, presence, absence. There's our distribution. Now I'm going to go back to the table. I'm going to import the precip and the near surface air temperature. There we go. I'm going to make a chart showing the relationship between air temperature, the precipitation rate, and the occurrence of ferns. There it is. I'm now going to estimate the parameters for this data. We're going to have to design a model. So I'm going to set the species, add it, it's binary data, which is what we want. I'm going to add a niche, air temperature, select a Gaussian response. I'm going to add another niche, precipitation rate, and that's also a Gaussian response. That's ready to go. I'm now going to estimate the parameters. Here's our chain. From that, we're going to make a simulated distribution. The chain becomes the parameters. The environment, we're going to provide the same latitude and longitude points. So we do that by clicking on environment. The model, we're going to use our model. Select air temperature and precipitation rate. Here's our distribution. Let's make a chart of that. So we're going to select environment 1 to provide the lat long points. Longitude, latitude, and then size is predicted presence absence. Let's see how this compares to our model by making a multi-grid. We're going to use the home screen, multi-view. Here we'll have our observations. Let's zoom in. Here we'll have our modeled distribution, simulated distribution, and let's put the chart down here. As we can see, it's worked pretty well. I forgot to export the file, so we're just going to do that now quickly.